At Cedar Falls High School, we are very proud of the quality of the music opportunities offered, as well as the enthusiastic participation of our student musicians. Cedar Falls is one of a small handful of schools in Iowa where all of the ensembles in all three areas, band, choir, and orchestra, regularly receive Division I superior ratings in contests sponsored by the Iowa High School Music Association. We would love to have you be part of our program. As you consider the classes you want to take during your high school years, keep in mind that it is entirely possible to fit music into your schedule. In fact, many of our students actually include 2 music classes in their schedules, and a few even participate in all 3 areas, band, choir, and orchestra. So as you're considering the classes you want to take, look at how those could spread out over 3 years of high school, and you'll probably find that you have room in your schedule to stay involved in music. Band and orchestra both have a prerequisite. You must be a member of your 9th grade ensemble in order to register for high school band or orchestra. On the other hand, students interested in choir may join without prior experience. Incoming sophomores will be placed in treble clef choir or bass clef choir, whichever is appropriate. Students may audition for inclusion in concert choir during their junior and senior years. We hope you'll consider being part of our music program at Cedar Falls High School, and we look forward to seeing you next year.
My name is Emily Olson. I am one of 2 art teachers at Cedar Falls High School. In our department, we strive to give students quality visual arts experiences by offering a wide variety of course options. Most of our classes are medium-specific, where students get to explore both classical and contemporary arts through hands-on projects. All of our classes are semester-long. You will notice that we offer a Level 1 beginning class and a Level 2 advanced class for each course content we offer. This allows students to dive deeper into the media and concepts introduced to them and help foster a love of art. Beginning and Hawkeye Concurrent Ceramics is an exploration of clay, both functional and/or sculptural. Methods of making projects vary between the potter's wheel, the extruder, slab-built, and hand-built projects. Students will produce a series of artwork using varied techniques: finishing, decorating, glazing, and firing. Creative Digital Photography 1 and 2. Students experience creative and technical digital camera use, imaging, along with photo correction and manipulation. Students use basic digital cameras, computers, and Adobe Photoshop photo editing software. Design 1 and 2. Design classes provide students with an understanding of design principles and process. Students progress through a series of 2D and 3D projects using a variety of media, helping students think creatively, find multiple solutions through experimentation, and evaluate design effectively. Drawing 1 and 2. Students experience drawing with a variety of traditional drawing media. These courses teach students how to observe the world around them, as well as the ability to draw an accurate representation of their observations. Graphic Design 1 and 2, advanced digital art courses that give students experience in the areas of computer illustration and graphic design, working on real-world graphic design projects. Students will use the top Adobe Design and Illustrator software as they create projects for their portfolios. There is a prerequisite for this class, which is Creative Digital Photo 1. Jewelry Crafts 1 and 2 is a hands-on class where they use a wide variety of materials and tools where students can create jewelry and explore other areas of craft making, such as bookmaking, basket weaving, and stained glass artwork. Painting 1 and 2 offers students the opportunity to explore a wide range of painting styles and techniques. Basic techniques of watercolor, acrylic paint, composition, texture, and color usage are covered, as well as effective brush and palette knife techniques. Sculpture 1 and 2 is an exploration of clay, plaster, paper, cardboard, metal, and found objects to create functional and sculptural works of art using both additive and reductive processes in a variety of sizes. Beyond our classes, we have Art Club during Power Hour for all students. The Art Club is a chance to get students together who love making art, collaborate on projects, and want to make art for the community or themselves. With that, we also try and keep kids up to date on all the local and national art competitions for them to submit their art to, and hopefully get recognized here at CF and beyond. If you have any other questions, please contact your art teachers or guidance counselors. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Jewell.
I'm Derek Gerling. I'm Mike Hansel.
And I'm Julie Cavalier.
One class we offer is financial literacy. It is a required course put on through UNI, and juniors and seniors can earn 3 college credits. We also offer a series of accounting courses that give you business analysis skills and can prepare you for your future.
Business communications is new this year, but it's a course centered to giving you all the communication skills that local employers are looking for and college is looking for.
Co-op will help you start thinking about your future and all the possibilities that life has to offer. It is possible to live in an unpredictable world and feel confident about your career potential.
Leadership with Character is a course designed all about forming your character throughout life and developing your leadership skills so that you can fine-tune management.
Business law is going to provide you the knowledge and skills of our judicial system, elements of a contract, how minors interact and deal with law. Introduction to Business is going to give you a variety of subjects ranging from economics, small business, entrepreneurship, finance, motivation, and management.
Web and Digital Tools is that side of coding that focuses more on design than on the coding part. So if you like art or coding, join that course.
Introduction to Computers is going to provide you the skills and knowledge of Microsoft.
Marketing. In marketing, we do collaborate and form teams, and you're introduced to multimedia skills.
Entrepreneurship is a team-driven course where the class turns into a company and you create a product and sell that to the school and outsiders.
The profit from that company is used to help our community. So the members of that team do vote on something that will help Cedar Falls. Sports marketing is a class that follows entrepreneurship or marketing and does dive into real-life projects with Sturgis Falls.
Get interested in activities outside the classroom. DECA is a place to go. It is a business competition organization that allows you to gain soft skills needed for your future. Follow us on social media and you get a chance to compete with your classmates.
Follow the business department on Twitter or Instagram for all the latest happenings. Finally, enroll in business to mix up your day and to explore what you might want to do in college or in the work setting. Visit this website for more testimony on what other students have experienced.
CAPS is a collaboration between business, community, and education, where we provide our students with professional experiences while developing the local workforce. And so what we essentially do is we take students outside of the classroom and we put them into a professional environment.
It helps them gain connections, and it just teaches values and the things that are important to be successful. I think these days that we don't really have that option anymore. It's just school. Once you're done with school, you go to college. Once you're done with college, that's when you're looking for a job.
I've done job shadows and I've had the time to actually research a career path for myself, and so having that time and getting that experience has been very helpful for me.
Towards the end of CAPS of now, I feel more confident in my own skins to be able to speak out what CAPS is and be able to say my skills and how I'm an asset to the workplace.
CAPS is not a class that you've taken before. It is something completely different in the coolest way possible.
When you're talking about just pure credit, you're going to get high school credit as well as college credit. You have an opportunity to work with multiple businesses throughout the Cedar Valley on a low-risk platform. You have an opportunity to explore careers. It doesn't cost you anything. You're actually gaining things with college credit here, and you get to go explore those careers and try things out and test them out. We don't guarantee you're going to know what you're going to do coming out of CAPS, but we know you're going to check things off your list, and that's worth something. So what I always say to people is, it's not why should you, it's why wouldn't you?
It all starts with an idea.
In IED, you learn the tools to take a problem and create a solution using the fundamental principles of engineering. The course focuses on developing key designing skills, such as CAD software. It introduces you to manufacturing processes and machines like 3D printers. And it teaches you how to effectively work with others to create a finished quality product. In computer integrated manufacturing, you start with a brief look into the unique history of engineering. Then you get the opportunity to learn how to use complex machines by creating objects you get to keep, like a themed chess piece. You get to learn about CNC machining by programming the mill and also creating personalized containers, all from a simple block of wood. Also, you learn how to program advanced systems by running simulations. In POE, you are able to work together to express your creative minds and construct very unique projects. You will learn how to solve difficult problems that come in your path. You get the opportunity to encounter and solve problems you may face in the workplace. However, sometimes things do not always work out the way they were intended.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
EDD, the student-led class, you learn much more about how to work as a team. Each team gets to choose their problem and how they will tackle it for the whole year. This class is hands-on. This also allows students to explore many skills such as flexibility, time management, communication, and self-discipline. EDD gives you a taste of what actual engineers will do in the working world. Eat! PLCW classes have great people and great vibes.
My favorite part about computer science is kind of the freedom to do, like, to make your own apps. I think that's really cool. Like, for block-based coding, we got to make our own games, and I decided to do Pong. I like the freedom of doing what I want and when I want to.
My favorite part about computer science is that it's very challenging, and it challenges you to learn how the blocks work and learn what each part of the code is and learn with vocab.
Our favorite part of computer science is working together.
What do you like about computer science?
It lets me explore computer science without spending the mucho dinero of college.
In Foods and Nutrition 1, students learn basic culinary concepts through the units of baking techniques, single crust pastries, individual cake decorating, fruits and veggies, eggs, and pasta. Within each unit, there's a focus on food preparation and selection of food products. Students use and analyze nutrition principles into everyday life. In Foods and Nutrition 2, they build on these skills through the units of preparation and selection of meats, double-crusted pastries, yeast spreads, foreign, regional, and gourmet foods. This course also includes a unit on planning and preparing meals. And then finally, Foods 3 is called Tiger Cafe, where students are trained for career opportunities in the food service and culinary arts industry. In child development, a major emphasis in this course is the development of children from conception to early childhood. Students learn to explore the mental, physical, social, and emotional development of children. This course would be recommended for anyone considering a career in early childhood, education, social work, and/or the medical field. One unique thing that this class does is that they get to take home electronic babies that cry and eat food just like real kids do. Fashion Merchandising 1 focuses on the study of individualized clothing selection, pattern alterations, basic sewing techniques, and the skills of operating a sewing machine. Fashion Merchandising 2 builds on this course by learning about consumerism, textile care, and the garment industry. Interior Design aims to give students an opportunity to explore the basics in the field of housing and interior design. Students gain knowledge in planning, designing, and arranging interiors with a special emphasis on using color. The course does this by involving several hands-on projects related to architecture, design, floor planning, and room arrangement.
Welcome to Industrial Tech, the home of hands-on learning. In Industrial Tech, we focus on building technical skills for the real world and for career opportunities post-high school. We have three main areas of study. The first one is our automotives. In our automotive, we have four different course offerings. The first one is our consumer autos, where we focus on just the fun aspects of owning a vehicle, work on basic maintenance of your car, learning how the car operates. From there, we would progress to our Hawkeye Automotive Intro to Tech 1 and Automotive Tech 2. There, we dive deeper into how the automotive systems work. And from there, we go into Advanced Autos, which takes all that previous knowledge that you've gained and applies it to working in the automotive industry. The next big area of studies is our metals courses. In our metals courses, we have 5 different options. The first one is our Metal Tech, where you'll come in, you'll learn how to manipulate numerous different machine tools. We will cover the basics of welding, talk about metal fabrication, and some career opportunities. From there, you can go either into Intro to Welding, where we dive further into welding. We learn how to do SMAW, GMAW, and TIG welding, as well as cutting processes. From there, you can also do our Hawkeye CNC class. If you like welding, then we have 3 more options, which will be Intro to Welding, Safety and Health, Hawkeye GMAW Short Circuit Transfer, and GMAW Development 1. From there, we develop our skills and work on becoming a much better welder and getting employment after school. Our third and final area is our woods and constructions. In this area, we have 3 different course offerings. The first one is wood products manufacturing. There, you learn how to use all the equipment that we have in the wood shop and build a couple small projects. From there is the cabinetry and finish carpentry course, where you again take what you learned in the first woods products class and then build upon that and design and develop a much more challenging project. And then thirdly, we have our construction technology program. Above and beyond that, we are very active in participating in different student contests across the state. We have participated in several different welding competitions over the years, CNC competitions, as well as construction ones, and hopefully in the future we'll have some automotive as well. If you're interested, please see your counselors or your industrial technology teachers. Thank you.